Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Bluetooth audio output in the new Poco F2 Pro device. So here is a Poco F2 Pro, friends. Recently I got my hands on with a Poco F2 Pro and I decided to do plenty of videos on the Poco F2 Pro. So try to check the links in description for the playlist of the Poco F2 Pro in case if you want to know more details about the phone. And even there is a phone of the Mi Note 10 Lite as well, as you can see here. So all the links are available in the links in description. Even latest MIUI 12 version also I have installed in the Redmi K20 Pro device. And let's get started with the Bluetooth functionality of the Poco F2 Pro device. So one thing I clearly noticed is that the sound was incredibly good, and finally I was able to utilize this kind of Boss effect in this kind of Soundcore headphones which I purchased 5 months before, I guess. So the sound output was really good and very good. Even the most of the Bluetooth codecs are actually supported here. As you can see, AAC is supported. High quality audio experience you do get with this kind of phone with the Poco F2 Pro device. And one thing is that you don't get any customization option with the sound effects if you are connected to the Bluetooth headphones. So only this will get enabled when you are connected to the normal 3.5mm jack only. So the overall the Bluetooth experience was pretty good, and Boss effect was very good, and there's no problem at all in terms of Bluetooth connectivity. And even the distance I do get very good connection speeds as well using this kind of headphones. So if you ask me regarding 3.5mm jack, I didn't feel much difference. Maybe the earphones which I'm having not that good at the moment, so I need to buy some other good 3.5mm jack earphones and test the audio output. But overall with the Bluetooth headphones which I got right now here, so which is very good, the Boss effect by using this Poco F2 Pro device. So same kind of effect I do get in the Redmi K20 Pro device. So same kind of sound effects I got while using this Poco F2 Pro device. So definitely in terms of the audio lovers, you will love using this Poco F2 Pro device. And that's it for this video. This is a small video to demonstrate how good is the Bluetooth audio output from the Poco F2 Pro is. So for more videos, do subscribe Sai Tech Guru. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.